Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a special unboxing for you. Just got back from the post office and I had this package waiting for me. So we're going to go ahead, open it up, see what's inside, and let's check it out. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we got in the mail. I will be doing an upcoming video on this Torres magnetic case for the Z Fold 7. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you'll get updated when that video gets released. But let's go ahead and see what we got in the mail today. So it looks like we've got a case here. And this is something that I wasn't expecting. This is from Benks. I've done quite a few videos on Benks. Click the link up here and check out those videos. So this is called the Armor Air Grand Combo. Haven't really heard much about this. It is for the Samsung Galaxy Fold 7. And this is the Armor Air Aurora Grand Combo. So the Grand Combo comes with a front case, the case for the back, and it comes with a screen protector. Packaging looks really nice as far as presentation, so I really appreciate Benks sending this over for us to review. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. For those of you that aren't familiar with Benks, they are a case manufacturer. Most of their cases are made with Kevlar. So this is a very lightweight, minimal case and very durable because it does use the aramid fiber. So if you like those aramid fiber style cases, definitely check out Benks. All right, let's see what we've got inside here. So it just says engineered for Samsung Z Fold 7. And let's get this box open. All right, and here we go. So it looks like we've got the Fold 7 case over here. We've got a Glass Warrior screen protector. So we'll get a tempered glass screen protector. And underneath we've got the front case. And you can see these both have the Benks branding on there. We'll go ahead and open these up in just a second. Let's see if there's anything else in here. And let's see, so this is the Glass Warrior screen protector. So this is your tempered glass screen protector for the device. And it looks like that is all that's in the box. Okay, so this one is the Fold 7 case. Let's go ahead and see what we get inside here. So the Aurora cases, I've had a few of these. They are a design that's kind of a green. They've got some different colors that are part of the case. I'll show you in just a second. So we've got a little Benks branding there. I guess that must be the Benks mascot. And let's take that out of there. And right there. Okay, so this is the back of the case. And you can see here it says Aurora. This is MagClap. So it's basically MagSafe. It has a built-in magnetic ring. So you can use all your MagSafe accessories on this. Wireless charging shouldn't be an issue. You can see here it says built with Kevlar. So this is going to be very durable. We do have hinge protection here for the Z Fold 7. And you can see right along here, there is an adhesive strip that you can pull out. You're ready to install this so that way the case stays on the phone with no issues. And let's go ahead and take a look at the front case. And this will be your cover screen case. And let's just see what this has here. Okay. And so this is just the front cover screen case that will protect the front of the phone. You can kind of see the coloring there. So that is the Aurora coloring that Benks uses. It's really nice. It's got some grays and greens or some red in there, depending on, I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up with the right coloring. But they use this and then they have kind of just the standard black aramid fiber. So this one's got some color to it. You can see there. So we've got some greens and we've got some dark blue or black and we've got some other colors. So it kind of just goes gradually fades into the case there. Around the back of the case, you can see that you've got that camera hardware is going to be protected. You've got that nice lip around there. Around the side, you can see that it's all open for your volume up and down and your power button on the device. Around the top, we've got the cutouts here for your microphone and speaker. And around the side here, this is our hinge protection. It does kind of look like it's got like a faux leather finish on there. It's kind of nice, some texture. Around the bottom, wide open for the USB-C charging port and our microphone down there. So let's go ahead and throw this on the device. So like I said, I've been rocking this Torres case. Make sure to subscribe if you want to check this thing out. This thing has been really good, very durable. Haven't had to worry about anything with the Z Fold 7. And this is a snap case, so that's really cool. You don't have to use any adhesive, and it holds. I haven't had any issues with it coming off. But we're here to take a look at this Benks case, so let me go ahead and get this Torres case off, and we'll get this on. All right, and there we go. There's the Z Fold 7, and it's all its glory in that beautiful blue shadow color. I really love this color from Samsung. Really think they hit it out of the park. If you haven't checked out the video, I do have a video for the unboxing first impressions of the Z Fold 7 as well. Let's go ahead and throw this case on. And so we're going to go ahead and just pull that off of there. And so you always want to put that camera module in first, pull back the side there, and then just press down real easy. And you can see that this does have that hinge protection. So you can see here that it is going to protect the hinge. So one thing about these cases that I'm always a little nervous about with these foldables is whether or not this hinge protection is going to press against the glass here and have any scratching. So let's go ahead and put the front case on and see if there's anything to worry about there. And we'll go ahead and pull out our little unboxing knife here. I haven't seen this in the video for a little while. Make sure we don't cut ourselves. Okay, and so there is that front screen. You can see on the front screen here, there is an adhesive strip, so you can pull that off and put it on the case. I'm not gonna do that right now because I do like to put different cases on my phone. I don't like to have that adhesive left on there, but there we go. So that is what the phone looks like with that new Aurora case from Benks. And I really do like that. You can see you do have plenty of protection there. You can see those open cutouts for the volume up and down and the power button. And you can see they perfectly line up. So we've got that speaker cutout down here. We've got the two microphones, and we've got our USB-C charging port. And let's go ahead and open this up. And you can see, so without the adhesive, that front cover is going to come off. So once you're ready to put that on, you want to make sure that you do put that adhesive on so that you don't have that issue. Let's go ahead and just get logged in there. And there we go. So don't see any issues there. I do like that full cutout. There is that kind of angle here, so it's going to be real easy to tell where your volume up and your volume up and volume down rockers are, as well as the power button on there. And that looks pretty good there. So, all right, so let's go ahead and test out the MagSafe, or MagClap is what Benks calls it. See how that works. So actually, we've got that unboxing knife right here. This is magnetic, so we should be able to just pop it on there like so, and you can see there's no issue there. That's a really strong magnet. Actually, I had to pull pretty hard to get that off of there. And let's go ahead and test out some accessories. So I do have a MagSafe charger here. Let me just go ahead and plug that in, and we'll make sure that that does work. So we've got our little MagSafe here, and no problem there. If we flip this thing over, you can see that it is charging. So there's no problem with the wireless charging or the MagSafe. So it's very, very strong. I like that. It's a nice strong magnet. So we've got a wallet here. You've probably seen this in some of my videos, the Moft wallet. Really minimal, like this, MagSafe compatible. We just pop that right on there like so. And there we go. Yep. And so we've got the Moft wallet, and this one's magnet's not as strong, and I think a lot of it has to do with the cutout where the camera is. So they do have wallets that are made specifically for these Samsung devices that are cut a little bit lower, but it does work. So MagSafe is definitely going to work on this case. Let's see what else we have over here. And we can't have a video without showing the Peak Design mobile tripod. Excellent piece of equipment if you do any type of mobile photography. I really suggest picking one of these up. I did do a video on this a while back. Click the link up there. I'll put the video up there so you can take a look at it. But this is a really nice little mobile tripod from Peak Design, and this is magnetic. So let's go ahead and put this on the back of the phone. We'll just go ahead and stick it right there, and you can see, ooh, that's pretty strong. Yeah, that thing's, it's not going anywhere. So it doesn't add a whole lot of bulk. So you can see that the design there is pretty minimal when it comes to those MagSafe accessories, depending on what you're using. And then the case itself is very thin. I really like these minimal cases. I don't like adding a lot of bulk, especially for the Z Fold 7. The whole idea of having this beautiful device is to enjoy how thin this is. And so you're not losing a whole lot of that. There is that hinge protection, so adds a little bit of bulk there. But you can see that there's really very minimal bulk added to the device. The other thing I want to talk about is fingerprints. So you can see that you shouldn't have any problem with fingerprints, especially with this Aurora case design. Some of the darker designs you do pick up some fingerprints, but I really do like that. Benks also sells some really cool accessories that you can pick up. Did a video a little while back on some of the accessories here. So one of the ones, let me see if I can find one, if I have one here. Okay, so these are a couple rings that Benks sells, a couple different styles. You can see it's got the matching Aurora pattern there. And then this is their more standard. This is just the black aramid fiber. What's really cool about these rings is that they're not only a ring stand, but they also have a built-in pop socket. So you can actually use these different ways. You can use it as a finger grip. So if you just slide your finger in there like so, you can use it on the back of your device. You've also got that ring here, and that is a 360-degree turning ring. So if we just pop that on there like so, and we can just move that around to whatever orientation we want. It does match up pretty well. I am noticing that there is a little bit off center here, so you can see that the ring does not fit directly in the center. It's a little off that would be off to the right on the camera. But I think that has to do more with where the magnets are placed. Some other cases that they have, in case you want to check them out, this is the one for the S25 Edge. So another super thin device. You can check out the video for that if you want. So if you have an S25 Edge, this is a really nice case to pick up. And like I said, I've been using Benks for a while. Here's another one I have on my Z Flip 6. So this is last year's model. This one did not have magnetic on the Flip. So I did put a ring on there, and you can see, you can just pop that ring that comes with it, and it's nice and strong. So the magnets on these rings are really nice, and these are really thin, so they don't add a whole lot of bulk to your case either. So if we go ahead and just throw this one on there so you can see, and you can see that it's really minimal. So very, very minimal. So definitely like having something like this on the Z Fold. You know, the Z Fold has its own stand, which is really nice. So you can always use just the flex mode. For those of you that aren't familiar with this device, it does have basically it's got its own kickstand, so you can just throw it down there. It's got its own tripod. But if you want to have, you know, a ring on the back for, say, a grip, these are really nice to have. I've used these on some of my other devices, my S25 Ultra, I have one of these on there. Actually, the black one here came off of the S25 Ultra. That about wraps it up. This is the Armor Air Grand Combo Case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel and click the bell notification so you're updated when new videos get uploaded. As always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.